So, I suggest starting the meeting. Who agrees? Today's meeting is dedicated to addressing our interactions with SCPs. What are SCPs? Don't ask stupid questions. You are too young to understand. As you know, SCPs want to take over the workshop and control everyone, including us. We must decide how we should behave. Why behave? Eat them all and the whole business. You, doggy, don't fuss. And if they will eat us, hush, hush. First, I suggest that everyone talk a little about themselves. So, let's start with the biggest ones. Breaking news. Well, as you know, I'm a giant. I hijacked a plane not long ago. However, then I had to let it go. In general, if necessary, I can fight SCP, but please note that I'm very afraid when I'm affected by a jet bat with a laser sight. Who can fight there? Don't be so ridiculous. It was me who took the plane from you. I know how to fight. So quietly, quietly. Calm down. No need to brag. So I repeat. Now, very briefly, everyone simply introduces himself and says a few words about himself. Remember, brevity is the sister of talent. Let's start by seniority. I'm Siren Head's grandmother. Horror Maker invited me. I love my grandson, Siren Head. And I'm Siren Head's grandfather. Horror Maker invented me too. And I love my grandson, Siren Head. But I love his grandmother even more. And I'm the same Siren Head, the most famous creation of Trevor Henderson. Everyone is afraid of me, but some, at the same time, love me. And I'm Siren Head, who mutated due to the coronavirus. Horror Maker invented me. It's not easy for me now. I hope to recover. And I'm Siren Head Tank. I was bad plotting against Horror Maker. But then I repented and decided to wander all over the earth and struggle for peace. My name is Head, and Siren Head is my dad. I love him very much, I'm good. I'm Siren Head, brother of Head. I love to wander around the world and scare people, and sometimes my older brother, Lamphead, insults me. He is lying. I do not offend, but I teach him sometimes. I like to pretend to be a lamppost. It happens that I stand like that on a city street, and then when someone passes by, I will move so quietly. Oh man. Horror Maker invented me too. I'm the progenitor of all Siren Heads. And I'm a relative of Siren Heads. Trevor invented me. I used to love attacking motorists. To tell you the truth, then Horror Maker changed me a little, and now I love to protect dogs and cats from any trouble on the roads. It would be nice if you could save me from coronavirus. Don't whine, Catty. Plug doctor will cure you. By the way, my dad is Trevor Henderson. Many are afraid of me. By the way, once upon a time I almost ate Horamaker in the cemetery when he was a little boy and went for a walk there at night. Yes, great! I want to go to the cemetery at night. I am brave and very dangerous. Trevor Henderson invented me too. Okay, we don't need to tell about our childhood adventures here. Let everyone briefly tell who invented him. Well, and a few words about themselves, otherwise we will have to sit here all night. Let me introduce myself, Big Charlie, child of Trevor. Sometimes I scare people. Ice cream man in the form of Siren Head, or vice versa, Siren Head in the form of ice cream man. Horamaker's fantasy. I am Mowgli. Police horse. Once at night Trevor saw me on the street and thought, what is she doing there without a policeman? And I was just walking by. And I am a ghost, phantom. But not an ordinary one, but in the image of mongoose. Trevor Henderson's idea. My name is Thumper. I love to wander in houses, stomp and scare people, especially sleeping ones. So Trevor decided. I scared him once. And I'm not clear who I am, either a beetle or a costume. Why Trevor got this into his head? Horamaker made me to help Miss T scare various monsters. Horamaker made me to help Jim. I will fly and search for the SCP Foundation. Better not mess with me. I am also Trevor's creature, but very, very mysterious. I have an unusual head structure. And Daddy Trevor came up with this. It horrifies even me. I want to warn everyone that I am bridgeworm. I can eat anyone. Even though you are my brothers and sisters, I don't care. Trevor invented me like that. Actually, I don't care either. Relatives are relatives, but I will scare you to death. Am I right, Dad? Yes, Sonny, of course. That's why I invented you to scare people. Otherwise, what's the point? Here I am, about the same. Scaring is my destiny. Ghosts should be scary. And I'm the ghost of the chicken. But I'm so long that wow, but actually, I'm not nice at all. Dad says you don't have to be nice. If you really meet someone on a country road, you're done with. You won't have time to utter a word. Am I right, Dad? Of course, Sonny. It's all right. Smile. Not often different people come to me. But if someone comes in, he won't go out of me. Oh, sorry, my name is Smile, Trevor's daughter. Hush, hush, Master is coming. Strange, like all the figurines were on the shelves. I don't understand.